What up, man? All right.
Normal fishing, 15 to 16.
Well, please, don't leave yet. We got some great raffle prizes. Unfortunately, we ran out of food. So,
That's a good thing.
which is a great thing. So we're gonna give you like 10 more minutes to finish up. And about 3 o'clock, we're gonna start doing the raffle.
Okay.